for the Lord, and nothing more. The Rap, Tap Sound of Rain by Robin L.S. Young. 8/20/2021. My attempt at a rap. Sunday, 3:26 p.m. I fell too. I cannot help myself. I don't know how to do anything but the right thing. We will have adventures in creating wonders. There is no doubt that I feel what you feel, and I hurt like you hurt. Our inspirational friendship is and will be unlike anything beyond imagining. My body is saved for someone that will know beyond a doubt how loved he is. Your affections are the truest form of gift to me and him. Both yours and my dreams we will make come true. Your lover I cannot be. This rap is harsh, but it is a rap, so don't read too much into it. I needed to make it rhyme. You inspire me even still. So, if I fake kick you in the nuts, can you write an angry fight song? I double dog dare you. I would so love to hear it. My sweetest friend, we are not broken. We just have to bend. I love my friends so very much, but I don't do physical love with them. I'm okay. I hope you are. The Rap, Tap Sound of the Rain. The rap, tap is from the rain. You better sit down. You're gonna feel the pain. I have a gun, but I don't need one to make you run. My wings show. In the darkness you can see me glow. If you are wicked and linger long, God's light will change you and make you strong. I met my mirror. Over him I shed a tear. Now my muse, my friend, it will not end unless someone else his love will tend. Me, I am fine. My true love will be mine. I will find him in time. The good news is I will be no one's but his. The wait I truly hate, but it's not every day. And I have to say, for my love I pray, he will find a way. You are here now, though I don't know how. In God I trust, for you I lust. I hold the line until you are mine. I will continue to shine. Your love is so fine. Until then, I will dream again and again, my dearest love, from God above, my truest love. For the Lord, and so much more.